Welcome back, pumpkin people. It's another week. Let's see how much this pumpkin gained this week. Stick around. All right, starting with the overall plant health. Still looking good. Sea green. We terminated just a few secondaries over here. And I'm starting to snake this last secondary. Hopefully here, fill in this area. So hopefully that one can make it all the way over here. All in all, plant health is looking really good. And let's just take a quick look at our pumpkin. As you can see, we're at 200 pounds. This is day 25 of our giant pumpkin. Looking real nice, perfect shape. It's really gotten so much bigger in this past week. So the past week, we've put on about 100 pounds. Real nice color. We're lifting up the mane here. I got a brick on top of some styrofoam, trying to keep that mane as level as we can. Starting to get a little bit of tension here, unfortunately, on this secondary. We might have to either cut it off or try to pull it back a little some. Main vine still got some slack. I can't mess with it too much because it's really kind of 70 degrees and cloudy today, so don't want to mess with it too much. But plant's looking great, so let's give a little more scale back here. Maybe it's let's see if I can remember I think it's like 88 inches in circumference, 56 front to back, 57 left to right. Don't quote me on that, I'm not on my piece of paper in front of me, but it's like 201 inches OTT. Really making that push. So per day, we're gaining 23 pounds last time I checked per day. We went up from 15 to 20, now we're at 23. Day 25. Just giving you a nice overall view of the plant here. Let's give another view over here. So I'm hoping to hit 25 to 30 pounds in the next couple days, hopefully. We'll have an over 100 pound week. The goal is to hit hopefully 250, 300 pounds in the next 5 days. That'll put us at day 30. Yeah, so 300 pounds, day 30. We'll be in the hunt for a 1,000-pound pumpkin by the end of the season. But this is going to be a quick, short update. And drum roll, please. We actually have to name our pumpkin. And this year we're going to call the pumpkin Cardinal. Cardinal is the pumpkin name now here. Cardinal is because we've seen a couple cardinals flying around the patch, and usually cardinals are people visiting or, you know, just hope in general. So this pumpkin's giving me hope that we can set a personal best for a 1,000-pound pumpkin. So we're going with Cardinal this year. So thanks for tuning in. Until next time, growing big.